Hello and welcome. Let me introduce myself if you have just stumbled upon me, or if you're new. My name is Cherie, and this is Just Nailed It. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to SheModern Saturday. This is a series I do every Saturday using all SheModern products and a little bit of bling. So today we are doing a spring manicure. I've already started on 3 nails. I'll show you those later, but I am using yellow neon sheer color and pink neon sheer color. These are both beautiful products, beautiful colors. Check out SheModern at SheModern.com or on Instagram, She_modern. Tell her that Just Nailed It sent you. So, at least she knows. I'm going to go in with SheModern's glue gel. This is what you use when you're laying down pigments, which is what I'm going to do on this nail. I'm going to put down that beautiful yellow, that neon. I'm going to put 2 coats down on it. I'm going to cure this for 30. If I can get my hand in the lamp. There we go. We got that one going. On the thumbnail, that's the ring finger. On the thumbnail, this is the pink. I did 2 coats of the pink neon sheer. And we are going to put some bling on this nail. So I'm going to go in with Beetle's top coat called Top It Off. We are going to put that on our nail. We are curing the... lamp just went off. Put a bigger coat on here. We are adding some bling. Get this one out of the lamp. Put that off to the side. Now the bling I'm going to use, I'm undecisive right now, so which one aren't I? I'm very sorry, I just dropped my nail. It's sticky. Sticky icky. And it went flying. I got it. Put the colors off to the side. I am going to use I don't know if you can see these. These are just beautiful. So I'm going to tap me some of these bad boys out. Get my wax picker upper. And just start placing them randomly on the nail. Sorry, it gets situated. Hope everyone is staying safe from the virus that's going on. They say to stay home, depending on what state you're in. You know, you go by what your governor has told you, which is what we're doing. Governor's not called for like a, what do you call it, where you must stay home. But everything's, you know, closing. Restaurants are closed except drive-thrus and carry-out. So, gotta do what you gotta do. These are rough times with this going on. It's a little crazy. Never thought I'd see anything like this in my lifetime, but you just never know. So I'm gonna pop this one in the lamp. Where are we? Here we are. Put that in there for 60. And I'm gonna get my palette. Oops. My brush and and the nail. This is the ring finger. So I have got the blue, the pink, and the yellow These are just overcast, I guess you could say, from other... I don't know if this is gonna work. This brush has been in something. No, this is not gonna work. I want it pink and yellow. So we're just gonna have to do it ourselves. Excuse me. And we are gonna have to do this in 2 coats. This is a sheer. So where is mine? Here we go. Gonna put my second coat of the glue gel down and cure. Maybe I should just do it solid yellow. In my mind, that's how it is. Solid yellow. Here is the thumbnail back out of the lamp. So you have seen the thumb. When the ring finger is, make sure you can't see it there. When the ring finger, excuse me, comes out of the lamp, we're going to put our yellow pigment on. We're just going to stick with the yellow. Stick with the yellow. Stick with what you know. Right, right. I had decals I was going to put on the ring finger, but... Oh, I do. I'm going to put these 3 flowers right here. There are 2. They're like a blue periwinkle color and one is purple. Got my little water bottle from SheModern. So I'm going to saturate those really quick. Talk about not prepared. Normally I got them saturated, ready to go. But whatever, we're going to do that in simple steps. So we got that as a base. We're just going to go in with our yellow. Go in with the yellow. Let's go rub it in with the finger. Isn't that beautiful? Whoops. Right towards my beverage. Now I may have to do a second coat of this to make it brighter because it is a sheer, so I'm going to pause. Alright, we are back. Now I'm going to go in with the Grip Gel by SheModern. And we will cure that for 30. Wipe one side of your brush off real well. And this is to adhere decals to the nail. You're going to want to cure that for 30 like I said. So I'm just going to hold my hand in there so I ain't got to mess with the timer or the sensors. We are going to be putting our decals on with the Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology. I do have a 10% off code down in the description box, as well as my others, so please check that out. Okay. Take our cap off. We're going to put our little flowers. Dab it off slightly on something lint-free. Get your silicone tool and maneuver this around on the nail wherever you want it. Smooth it out so there are no air or water bubbles. Dab off. Whoops. We're sliding around a little bit. There we go. I want this overlapping a little bit. So I want to be able to put all three of them on the nail. Whoops. Well, that doesn't exactly look like I wanted it to. So I'm going to reposition a little bit. Whoops. Let me move this one up here for just a second. This one's a little angry with me. These are beautiful decals. Where's my scissors? Trim your excess off. You might have some on both sides, depending on what nail you're using. I had excess. So I'm going to put these away. Waste more time doing that. Clean up. What do you think? Sure they're all pushed down. I am going to take my black by Modelones because that's the one that was the most handy at the moment. I'm going to put a little bit of that on my palette. I'm going to draw a stem. I have my brush from AliExpress that Noe got me, which is Nails of Interest. She'll shank you, honey. Oops. There we go. I'm gonna put that off to the side. Let's stick this in the lamp for a. Well, wait a minute. Let me put. Well, there goes Instagram. I put a bling right in the middle of the stems. There we go. So I got that in the lamp. When that comes back out, we're going to top coat. And I will be using by Beetles Gel Nail Polish. Look them up on Instagram. I also have their link in the description box. They're also on Amazon. I got the, where is it? Both foundations, the base and the top coat. I think it was for $8.49, $8.99, something like that. It was one of the two. I'll let you know. Oops. Okay, there we go. We're going to top coat now. And probably a little bit of bling to these nails just at the top. Do not top coat over your bling. It takes away your shine or your sparkle, and you never want to take away your sparkle. But we're going to add more to it. What did I do with my wax picker upper? So we're going to add some sparkle here. Just a couple. Yep, they're busy on Instagram. It is 7:51 in southeastern Michigan, so that's Eastern Standard Time. So, we're going to cure that for 60 and we'll be right back. We're back, fresh out of the lamp, kind of. And here's our nail. We have the 3 decal flowers with a little bit of bling. So I'm going to place that on the nail and I'm going to show you them all. So, ta-da! Give me a minute to take them all in. Bring them a little bit closer so you can see them all. I think they're gorgeous. Hope they're not a little bit too gaudy. I mean, I know I got a lot of bling going on. We have some grass and the birds and the butterfly over here. We have a diamond, well, teardrop shape with some bling around it. Another teardrop, partially all blinged out. I think it looks pretty cool. So, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. I think it's stunning. A nice spring mani. Instagram. Well, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up. Please, oh yeah, please click the bell when you subscribe and click all so you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So yeah, I think they're beautiful. Have a blessed day and thank you.